Hello and welcome back to tutorial 49, and I was asked by a GoldPass member if I could add some additional attributes to the linear regression lines that tutorial 49 talks about. So what I've simply done is added some inputs and made it possible to change the color, the line style and the thickness of the lines, and here you can see a variety of line styles and fairly thick lines. So let me just show you what I did, and this program is now available with the other program for download at tutorial 49. And you'll see very simply I created a number of style colors, which I call top line col, midline col, low line col, and similarly for the styles, top line style, midline style and low line style. And you can see that you have 5 options for styles using the standard styles in the legacy drawing tools in TradeStation. And then line thickness must be an integer between 0 and 6, 6 being the thickest. And then if we just go down to each instance of where we drew the lines, then I just added a TL set color for the reference. So for example, center line is equal to the line, TL new, etc. So we set the color for that line and we set it to the input that I just showed you. And similarly for the style, and then similarly for the size, using each time the center line reference. So because this uses the legacy drawing tools of TradeStation, this program does, well, in fact both programs do work on multi-charts and versions of TradeStation from 8.7. So I hope you will find it useful.